You guys already know this video is going to be lit because it is I, E-Man. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. So today for you guys is all about this, my bad boy. Anyway, I built this bad boy and yeah, today I'm going to be giving you guys a little bit of some specs that's in my PC. Obviously, and also giving you guys a little bit of review and telling you guys what I like, what I don't, and yeah, I mean, it's going to be a bit of a fun video, so we might as well get straight right into it. So, if you guys want to check out the video that I actually did building this bad boy, just click up there and you'll be able to find that video and go ahead and watch that video before you come to this one. But yeah, today is just going to be a nice chilled little video. I'm in a different spot today. I'm normally on there, but I'm here today because I want you guys to see this bad boy. Yeah, just have a look and see the bad boy. Anyway, I'm going to be doing a few, like a B-roll, kind of a separate video for like a B-roll of the PC, the components, everything inside, kind of like little cinematic kind of video for you guys so you can watch it and see what's going on. But yeah, so first of all, we're going to start with the processor that I have in this bad boy. I have, you know what, before we start with the specs, I just want to tell you guys a little bit about my theme. Obviously, it's a Snow White theme, and it's all white. It's an all white build, apart from the graphics card, which I will get into in a minute. But I've kind of themed it out. At first, I was thinking of making the whole RGB like white, just make it all fully like a white, you know, build. But I thought, you know what? Let me add a little bit of touch to it, because at the end of the day, I've bought the fans and everything for it to be RGB, and there's no point of me really not making anything colored and taking advantage of the RGB, the red, green and blue. There's no point in me taking advantage of it. There's no point in me not taking advantage of it when I have it. So I thought I'll do, because green is my favorite color, so I thought I'd do a green and white build. So the whole case, the whole components in the PC is white, apart from the graphics card. I'm going to explain later. But the only thing is, the graphics card is green and my RAM sticks are green as well. So it's got like this nice green and white, like rain kind of motion on the RAM stick. So I thought I add a little bit of green to it, just to, you know, just give a little bit of color and let it stand out a little bit more, if that makes sense. But yeah, that's the theme that I'm going for. Anyway, so we're going to start off with the case. So the case that I went for is the Lian Li O11 dynamic, the medium case. So you got the small case and the mini case, and then you got the mid case, and then you got the full tower case. So I'm using the mid case for my build, because I just thought, you know what, I came from the Thermaltake P5 core, and that was a massive case, and I thought, you know what, the build is going to be small. I don't want to do water cooling. I just want to make it nice and compact. So I'm going to get something a little bit smaller. In case I need to move it here and there or whatever I need to do with the PC, then I can move it without, you know, it being heavy and taking up so much room. So that's why I went with the mid tower. And yeah, it's the Lian Li O11 dynamic case, and I absolutely love it. I love the white. I love the color. It just looks absolutely awesome. The only thing I don't like though is the fact that on the tempered glass that goes in the front of the PC and on the side of the PC, which I've taken up for this video, on the timber glass we have this black kind of layout on the side of it, like this black color, which I don't really like. I'm not really a fan of it. It would be better if it was all white, or it was literally just glass all the way. It would have been so much nicer, so you can see the components a little bit better, so it gives it more of that white, that fully white themed PC case, which have been a lot better. But I'm not complaining at all, because it looks absolutely awesome. Anyway, so that's the case. Now going to the processor on this bad boy, I'm actually using the i9 12900K. So that has it has 16 cores and 24 threads, which is just absolutely insane. I've been waiting for Intel to bring out a CPU that actually kind of beats the Threadripper, because the Threadripper was the best CPU that you can get out there, that was just the top dog. And I'm glad that Intel has actually brought out something nice, a little bit closer to that Threadripper, which is of course the i9 1290 900K, which has, like I said, the 16 cores and the 24 threads, which is just absolutely awesome and ridiculous for video editing, because obviously I do mainly editing on this PC. I do gaming as well, but right now it's just editing because I'm trying to, you know, get the YouTube channel better. And obviously, if you guys want to help me out with that and you're watching this video, just drop me a subscribe. Just click the subscribe button and turn your post notifications on, because we upload on this channel very, very frequently. And yeah, it's all a fun time, and drop the video a like as well, might as well. And yeah, that's the processor I'm using. And then my RAM stick that I'm using on this bad boy is the Corsair. I can't remember how to say it fully, but it's just the Corsair. I think it's the Vantage or Vantage or Vantage. I can't remember what it is, but that's the RAM that I'm using at the in the build. So I've got 4 sticks in there. In a total of 32 gig, so 8 gig each, so a total of 32 gig, and they're all running at 3600 hertz. So yeah, it just quickens things, especially when the PC boots up, and you know, when applications opens up. And yeah, there's just a lot of RAM and a lot of hertz there, just keeping everything flowing nicely and keeping everything moving very, very beautifully. And that's my RAM, the RGB as well, and they're in white as well. And then I got my cooler, which is the Corsair H150i, no, or HI150. I'm not sure, something along those lines. But yeah, it's RGB, got it in white as well. And yeah, it's just absolutely awesome. It's yeah, it's a beast. It's nice and quiet. It's just a nice, awesome cooler to obviously cool the big boy i9 CPU. Then moving on straight from that, we have the motherboard. So I'm using the motherboard. The motherboard is actually from Asus. It doesn't say the actual. Nah, it doesn't. Nah, but I'm using the Asus motherboard. I can't remember which one it was, but it's just a Asus motherboard that's white, that's on Amazon, and yeah, it was compatible. It had Wi-Fi 6 as well, and it also came with the Wi-Fi not dongle, but you know, the Wi-Fi little antenna thing as well, that you plug it in and then you get Wi-Fi into the PC instead of actually using a dongle, which I was using in my previous builds and my previous systems. So yeah, this came with that option. It was very, very nice. It was very, very nice and handy as well, and also it's Wi-Fi 6 as well, which is just awesome and fast as well. And moving on from the motherboard, we have the pin. No, the CPU, no, the motherboard cable, the 24 pin. I went with the Lee & Lee streamers because it just gives a little bit of character on the cables, because we all know cables are very boring. So just give it a little bit of a character, and you know, just makes it flow nicely and just gives it a bit more RGB kind of thing, and just makes it look a little bit more nicer. So that's why I went with them. And then I've got just normal white 16 pin and 8 pin cable just dotted around for the rest of the ports on the motherboard and the graphics card as well. So yeah, nothing too special there. It's just normal cables, so it doesn't really matter. And then for the fans on this bad boy, I'm using the Corsair fans as well. The Corsair, I believe, is the L120, something like that, or the LL120. I'm not sure, something like that. But yeah, got it all in white. So yeah, put it in there, does the job, does everything. I bought 6 in total, and then the 3 that comes with, of course, the cooler as well, and the radiator, which is pretty cool. Yeah, and for you guys that want to know what kind of configuration I'm using push and pull. So the air is coming from the top fans down into the case, and then the air is coming from the bottom fans up into the case, and then the fans on the radiator actually pushes out the warm air. I think that was the best way for me to do it, especially for aesthetics as well, because I wanted to build a PC to be efficient and to be for the aesthetic as well, for it to look really, really nice as well. So yeah, this is the configuration that I could do to make it look as nice and neat and as beautiful as I can, really. But yeah, yeah, it looks absolutely beautiful. And then coming to my graphics card, I'm using Asus Argus, no, Eros. Eros. Aros. I can't even say it. But yeah, I'm using the GTX 1080 Ti at the moment. But obviously from my video when I built it, I did say I was going to be putting a 3090 in the build as well, a white one, just to fit with the scheme of the PC, which I am still going to do, but I'm still waiting on that damn PC and GPU, because everywhere is out of stock, and even if you order, it's like you're pre-ordering, so whenever they have it in stock, you're the first one to get it, because obviously you've paid for it. You paid for it before, so you're going to be the first one to get it. So so basically, I'm first in line or second in line or whatever to get it for when they get it delivered. So I'm just still waiting on that bad boy to come down, and this will be a beast. Imagine a 3080 Ti, 3090 graphics card with 24 gig, yeah, paired up with that i9 19, what was it, 12900K. Oh my god, imagine editing. Whoo, it will be rendered in no second, bruv, literally no time. But yeah, that's what I'm rocking right now on the PC. I am thinking of water cooling it at some point, but that's just probably my head talking, because when I built this, I was like, you know what, no more water cooled, because I was using a water cooled from a previous system. I was like, no more water cooled, because that thing is heavy and it's really annoying to maintain. But yeah, I mean, if I was to do a water cooled, I don't know if there's going to be space in this bad boy to do water cooled, but I don't know. Comment down below if you want me to do a water cooled, turn this into a water cooled PC. But right now, I like how it is. And yeah, maybe water cooled near sometime in the future. I don't know, but we just have to see how it goes. But yeah, that's my PC. That's the specs. And for the review, this literally edits 15-minute 4K footage in literally 6 minutes, 6, 7, 5 minutes, something like that. Literally, it's ridiculous. It's so fast. Literally so fast. I think it's that CPU in there. Well, it is that CPU in there, and obviously conjunction with the graphics card as well. It's just, yeah, it's just amazing. Gaming as well is absolutely beautiful. Multitasking, it's just that awesome PC all round. You can never go wrong with that beautiful i9-12900K from Intel. Anyway guys, that's been the video of my PC. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you've enjoyed the video, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like the video, turn on your post notifications on as well, so you don't miss out on whenever I upload a video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. And also, just remind you, more video coming on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So yeah. I've got a lot of stuff to speak and say about that phone, because it's, yeah. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next one. Next one. Peace. And for you guys that are still here watching, and yeah, for you guys that are still here watching, yeah, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is going to be given away as well, because obviously I've had so many of you guys say you want me to do a giveaway, give it away, I want it, blah blah blah. So yeah, if you're still here and you're watching this segment of this video, yes, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is for a giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like all my social media, follow me on all my social media, which will be linked down below, and also comment down below in the comment section below and tell me if you made it through to this part of the video. Then I know that you've watched it all the way to the end, because I'm only going to give the phone away to the people that's watched this video all the way to the end to now. Yeah, and yeah, just subscribe, follow my social media account, comment down below, tell me that you have watched the video all the way to this point. And yeah, I'll pick a winner and I'll announce it in probably like 2 weeks or a week's time or whatever. Just depends on how good this video does, and depends on how many people do actually enter for the video. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace.